"Let my people go." Moses and Aaron told Pharaoh, "The God of the Israelites says you must let his people go free. Otherwise, bad things will happen to you." But Pharaoh will not listen. So God turned the water Egypt into a blood. No one could drink it. Then he filled the Egyptian houses with frogs. Frogs were everywhere. Still Pharaoh will not listen. So God filled the skies of Egypt with gnats. They covered the people like dust. Then he struck the land of Egypt with flies. Still Pharaoh will not listen. So God killed the animals of Egypt. Horses, donkeys, camels, sheep, cows and goats all died. Then he covered the Egyptian people with swords. Still Pharaoh will not listen. God sent hail to crush the crops of Egypt. Their barley and flax were destroyed. Then he sent locusts to eat what fruit remained. Still Pharaoh will not listen. So God sent darkness over the land. But again Pharaoh will not listen. God said, "I will kill every firstborn son in Egypt and all the firstborn of the animals." My people must kill a lamb, eat it, and put its blood on their doorposts. I will see the blood and pass over their houses. Those children will not die. You will call this Passover and always remember it. The Israelites obeyed God, but the Egyptian firstborn sons died, even Pharaoh's son. Finally, Pharaoh listened. He let the Israelites go. Bad things happened to Egypt because Pharaoh will not let God's people go.